Great.
What's cracking, people? We've had a lot of inquiries with the season starting on how you can make your Hardscape lunches from the convenience store more healthy. What kind of choices can you make? And you know, as always, Favorite King's here to help. So first up, we've got a lettuce wrapped taquito. You just get that lettuce wrapped taquito. I can feel the health coming out of this. And the lettuce, I can't even taste it. It's amazing. Next up, we got the traditional lettuce wrapped pizza slice. Let's see how that tastes lettuce wrapped. Again, cheese is smooth. Sauce is on point. Try the crust here. You'd never know how much healthier this is, and then it was lettuce wrapped. You'd never know. Last up, everyone's favorite from the coffee truck, a good old fashioned lettuce wrapped Jamaican patty. Now this is a bit, normally you got cocoa bread. Right now we're doing the lettuce, make it a lot healthier. Again, it's like the lettuce isn't even there. No, the flavor of the beef's coming through, the pastry. It's amazing how inconsequential the lettuce is to the whole flavor of this. And finally, you gotta wash it down with your lettuce wrapped Red Bull. Let's see how the lettuce affects the flavor of this Red Bull. No effect at all. And that's a little bit of advice. Never forget, Favorite King helps. Make that Red Bull healthy. Just wrap it in lettuce. We're good.